Hey my lovely subscribers, welcome to my channel. My name is Donnie, as you already know, my name is Donnie. So on this class, I'm going to teach you how to design um, graduate certificate, or you can call it a graduate invitations card. So I just want you to pay attention, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, and probably you come across this video, I urge you to support my channel, then also follow me, then also ensure you like, comment. If there's anything you want me to do, like you want me to send you some files or materials that you could use for any graphic design, here for you, then I also want you to share this video to people so that people can actually watch and like my page also. So thank you. Let's continue. Now you're going to this. I'm using this other Pixellab. Okay, this is a Pixellab. So now I want to start the design. Then now I will import the background I'm going to use by clicking this icon. Then I come to this from gallery. How to select. Now this is the background I'm going to use to design this. Now let's start by typing our words. Once you click on this double T there, it will totally change to capital letter. Then you can also use your hand to move it down, or you can use this icon to bring it down. So it depends on how fast you want to be. So then the color that you want to use for the words. Now you can click on this plus to extract the color from this. You can decide to extract the color from here. Now look at it. This is the color I want to use for this. Now you see that. Then I have to change the font. That's not the font I want to use. I have to change. I'm using this Roboto. This Roboto boat. Yeah. Then I have to reduce the size probably to 40. I'm using it to 40. Then I click on this to make it to balance up, to align in the center. Then I click on this so that's the opaque. Then the radius should be 2. I want it to. Then I move it. Now this is how I want it to be. So can you see? Now can you see that? Then you can also do this. Then use your hand to drag it down. Then change the color. Can you see? Then I will change the font. This is the font. These are colors regular. That's the font I want to use. Then I have to increase the size of this. Increase the size to 76. Then I have to make it balance, or to align in the middle, in the center. Then what is? I can use this to copy this. Okay. Then I have to change the fonts for that. I'm using this. Now I can decide to increase it to 82. Then push it off. Do you see this here? Let's say it's touching this. I have to like bend it a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah, I have to bend it a little bit. Then balance it at the middle. Then after that, I'll type, we hereby invite you and your family for the graduation of their student. Can you see that? Then I'll change the color. I can decide to change the font of this, or I might just decide to leave it. Let me just leave it. I'll change this size, reduce the size to 35. Then I'll bring it in the middle. Bring it down a little bit. Can you see that? Then how to date of the event. On the 19th of March 2023. Can you see that? And time for the event. You can still drag this down. Change the time. Time is 8 o'clock a.m. It's 8 o'clock a.m. Prompts. See. Then Venom. Let's still copy this. And the Venom. University of Lagos, Akoka, Lagos. Here, bring it down here. Okay. Now we want to include. Thinking of adding this here. Bring it down here. Okay, copy it again. You see? Right. Name. Can I use this to bring it down straight? And just come to this place. Then copy it again for signature. And I can try to bring it down again. I can decide to copy this again. For the name, Donnie. Well, sorry. Now you have this here. And you can decide to copy this. Just to change it. Then I can bring it down. Bring it down. Then change the fonts for my signature. I'm using this for my signature. Then I have to increase. So then I have to add some shape, add it down to align with this. Going to add this. Yeah, can you see? then you can save.